Okay, so here's a quick little analogy to hopefully help you when converting between bits and bytes. So the first thing you need to do is draw two ladders. Let's call the left ladder the bit ladder, and the right ladder we'll call the byte ladder. The symbol that we use for bit is a small b, and the symbol that we use for a byte is a big B or capital B. Now let's treat each space between the rungs of the ladder as a different level. So as we climb up the ladder, the level increases. So let's look at the bits ladder first. The lowest level at the base of the ladder is 1 bit, 1 small b. Next level up is 1 kilobit. Then up again, we have 1 megabit. And we generally don't need to go higher than a megabit for the bit ladder. Now let's do the byte ladder. At the base, the lowest level is 1 byte, 1 capital B. Next level up is 1 kilobyte. Then again, another level up, 1 megabyte. Up again is 1 gigabyte. And then higher than that is 1 terabyte. Now there are a few more higher levels than a terabyte, but that will do us for now. Now we need some conversion factors. Let's go back to the bit ladder. The magic number to convert between these levels is 1000. We just need to determine if we multiply or divide when changing between the different levels. So if we want to go from a lower level to a higher level, if we want to climb up the ladder, we divide by 1000 for each level. So 1 bit equals 1 divided by 1000 kilobits. Again, if we want to go from 1 kilobit to 1 megabit or to megabits, we divide by 1000. So there are 1 divided by 1000 megabits in 1 kilobit. So if we divide when going up the ladder, we multiply when we want to climb back down the ladder. So 1 megabit equals 1 times 1000 kilobits. And again, 1 kilobit is equal to 1000 bits. The process is very similar for the byte ladder, except the magic conversion number to convert between the different levels is 1024. So if we start at the base of the byte ladder and we climb up, we need to divide by 1024 for each time we go up. So 1 byte is equal to 1 divided by 1024 kilobytes. Again, we divide going up the ladder. So 1 kilobyte is equal to 1 divided by 1024 megabytes, and so on. So if we're dividing when we're going up the ladder, we multiply to go down the ladder. So 1 terabyte is equal to 1 times 1024 gigabytes. Again, 1 gigabyte is equal to 1 times 1024 megabytes, and so on. So in order to cross between the two ladders, you must first be at the base of a ladder. If we're at the base of the bytes ladder, in order to cross over to the bits ladder, we multiply by 8, because there are 8 bits for every 1 byte. If you wanted to cross over the other way from the bits ladder to the bytes ladder, what would you need to do? Yes, divide by 8. So hopefully that analogy helps a bit when converting between bits and bytes. We'll do some practice questions next video.